Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix something went wrong problem on Instagram. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, today in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open settings. From here guys, simply tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that your internet connection is working properly, and after that go back and then tap on VPN, and you have to make sure that there is not connected any VPN. If there is any connected VPN, then simply disconnect it, and after that go back and then tap on General, and from here guys, simply tap on iPhone storage and locate for the Instagram app. Here it is, so simply tap on it, and after that tap on offload the app and offload app and reinstall it again and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply go back and again go back, scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap here reset, tap on reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your network setting for one time. So guys, after resetting your network setting, and after that close that page and open up the app store and wait some seconds and tap on search and search for the Instagram. So here it is, so simply tap on it, and you have to make sure that there is not update. If there is any update, then you have to just simply update the app, and after updating the app, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If the videos helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.